Are you looking to sound more confident and professional in business settings? Whether you are in a meeting, giving presentations, or writing emails, using the right phrases can make a huge difference. So, here I've got 10 different English phrases for business settings. Let's get started. First is let's circle back to this later. Now, this means to revisit a topic later or discuss a topic later. That means to focus on any particular topic afterwards. For example, let's circle back to this topic in tomorrow's meeting. यानी कि इस टॉपिक के बारे में हम कल की मीटिंग में बात करते हैं. Second is, could you clarify this for me? यानी कि क्या आप इसे मुझे clearly समझा सकते हैं? Make something clear or easy to understand. Could you clarify this for me? Now, for example, could you clarify the new schedule for me? यानी कि क्या आप मुझे नया schedule clearly समझा सकते हैं? Could you clarify the new schedule for me? I'll follow up with you on that. This means to continue a conversation or any task later. किसी बात को या किसी काम को बाद में continue करना. I'll follow up with you on that. For example, I'll check about your query and follow up with you on that. This means that I'll check about the details of your query and I'll come back to you afterwards. Next is, let's take this offline. Let's take this offline. This means to discuss something privately or outside the current meeting. Currently जिस meeting में है उसको खत्म होने के बाद अलग से या privately किसी चीज को discuss करना. Let's take this offline. Now, for example, this is a serious matter. Let's take it offline and discuss after the meeting. Now, this means कि ये एक बहुत serious बात है. इसके बारे में हम privately इस meeting के बाद बात करेंगे. Now, the next is we need to address this ASAP. That means we need to address this as soon as possible. This is a professional way to express urgency. Something is very urgent, so we can say we need to address this ASAP. For example, the client is waiting for our response. We need to address this ASAP. This means कि हमें client को जवाब देना है, हमें इसका solution जल्द से जल्द निकालना होगा. Now next, I would like to pick your brain on this. I would like to pick your brain on this. Now this means to ask someone for idea or advice. यानी कि हम किसी को कह रहे हैं कि इस टॉपिक पे आप अपना आइडिया या अपनी एडवाइस दीजिए. For example, I would like to pick your brain on how to improve our marketing strategy. यानी कि हमारी marketing strategy कैसे सुधारें, इस बारे में मुझे आपका आइडिया चाहिए. Next is, let's table this discussion for now. Now, this again means किसी बात को, किसी discussion को postpone या फिर वहीं रोक देना. Let's table this discussion for now. For example, since we are short on time, let's table this discussion for now. यानी कि क्योंकि हमारे पास वक्त कम है, let's pause this discussion or postpone it for now. Next is, thanks for bringing this to my attention. This is a professional way to acknowledge a feedback. That is, किसी ने आपको कोई feedback दिया है, उसे हम professionally acknowledge कर रहे हैं. For example, thanks for bringing this to my attention. I'll look into it. यानी कि thank you for bringing this topic to my notice. and मैं इसके अंदर ध्यान दूंगा, इस पे ध्यान दूंगा. I'll look into it. Next is, what's the status on this? यानी कि हम पूछ रहे हैं कि कोई काम या कोई situation की क्या progress है. What's the status on this? Which means current situation or progress. For example, what's the status on the client's order we accepted yesterday? यानी जो कल हमने order accept किया था, उसकी क्या progress है, क्या status है. Next, I appreciate your input. यानी कि we acknowledge someone's efforts or contribution. किसी का करे हुए efforts या contribution को हम acknowledge कर रहे हैं, appreciate कर रहे हैं. For example, I appreciate your input on this project. It's been very useful, very helpful. Now this means कि whatever input, whatever effort you have put into this project, It was very helpful, very useful.
I hope you all liked this video and it was helpful in some way to you. If it was, just do like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much.